Hello, Professor. We are Team 17 and we are here to present our research project. And our project title is Digital Medicine Tracker System using Geofencing. We are two members in our group team, and Pramesh is also here for the presentation. I would first like to present our outline of the presentation. It will include the abstract and introduction of the system. Also, we have added literature review of the previous system, and it will contain the methodology part along with the implementation and results. In the implementation and results section, we have added some screenshots of our project. uh, in the next part, we will explain about the comparison with the existing system and conclusion and future work. I would first like to explain the abstract of our system. Uh, Technological advancement in the field of healthcare have opened so many possibilities and opportunities in the healthcare system, and in this paper we present the implementation of pharmacy management system along with the geofencing technology. Means we have integrated geofencing technology into the pharmacy management system. uh, then what is geofencing? Geofence is nothing but the boundary that user define, which has a certain radius, and it is set around a location. That location may be building, city, or state or zip code. Due to this, pharmacy can be able to engage customers by the deals and sending the advertisements, because in this system we have presented the idea that pharmacist will set the boundary uh, around their pharmacy location, and they will send the push notifications to the customer so that customer can track the desired medicines and pharmacy nearby. This paper also explores the design, implementation, and potential benefits of the geofencing system. Findings from the study indicate that the system significantly increases the customer engagement through timely notification and alerts triggered by the pharmacy which are geofenced. Next is introduction. Actually, medicines play a very important role in each and everyone's life, because they relieve us from certain disorders or diseases. And everyone wants to track the valuable things in their life. Means they can track the people, uh, cars, or some other things like. Hence, GPS tracking is employed in this technological solution to keep track of the things. And our proposed system will enhance the existing pharmacy management system by incorporating the location-based services such as geofencing to improve the efficiency and customer service. As I told in the abstract, geofence can be any geographical boundary that user defines and automatically triggered when mobile objects enter or leave the geographical areas, such as person can move from uh, from the geofence boundary. Means he can enter or leave, then that person will get a trigger notifications. Geofence mainly uses the GPS satellite network or RFID such as Wi-Fi nodes or Bluetooth. The proposed system aims to connect and serve as intermediary between pharmacy and customers. Means we have implemented the platform where we have pharmacy and user, and we are trying to connect them using the geofencing. It will help the customers to find the appropriate medicines and pharmacy, and pharmacist will use that system to set up geofence around their location, such as building, store, mall, as large as zip code, city, or entire state. Pharmacies will use geofencing to send the targeted marketing messages and promotions to the customers. This can be particularly effective for introducing the new products, promotional offers, or vaccinational offers. Also, one can use this for track of the medicine. of the diseases in the particular area. Means government can also use this type of system to track if there is a certain type of diseases large in certain type of geographical area, then this system can also use that in that situation. Next slides will Pramay will explain next slides.
Okay. Hello, Professor. So I'll start with the literature review. So our core focus was for this project was to know more about the use of geofencing in current times and the problems it can solve in pharmaceutical sector. So by reading previous research paper, we came to know that there are some developments in this direction using Android and iOS application. So which are mainly focused on doctor consultation. So here we are focused on a particular service of medical tracking using geofencing. So for the so I think next slide. Okay, so as we wrote in the research paper, geofencing is being used mainly for location based advertisement on the device. So we also experience the Google Maps notification when we visit a specific restaurant or a museum. Or however, it is a secure way of tracking, so it does not track your pinpoint location. So our main focus for this research and test for geofencing and try to solve the problem through it. And yeah, so for the methodology part, instead of traditional waterfall approach, which is to divide the project in a linear way so that we cannot approach the second phase before completing the first one. So instead of using this, we use the agile methodology, which is we divide the project into five parts, mainly in plan, design, develop, and test and develop. Plan, design, develop, test, and deploy. So we use this methodology because it suits our needs, and also it I have previously worked in this methodology. Purpose of this web app is to make an efficient process for medicine tracking. So next slide. Yeah. So we have divided the users in three category, which are admin, pharmacies, and users. So pharmacy starts with registering themselves on app, and we store their location as their registering process, and after that they can list their stocks on the web app. This whole registering process is handled by the admin of the web app, for example managing the pharmacies listing and accepting the registration for new pharmacies. So and for users there are a simple sign up process which we do everywhere. And yeah, this is the whole system flowchart. It shows that after login how the user is getting directed to their dashboards. So suppose we are a new user, so after the starting process we go to the proceed to the login. After that if we are admin we go to the right branch, otherwise we go to the downside. Here it is a new to this application, we are new, so we will create the new account and then go to the take U-turn and go to the which user you are, and we will go directed to the customers. So yeah, that's how it works after the login for users and pharmacies and everyone. Okay, so yeah, so geofencing gives a location for information to us, but we need to calculate the distance for our. You have to make a formula, or we can use some built-in formulas like a Haversine. So to get the distance between these 2 points, we must use the formula as I said. So, and for that we use a Haversine formula, which works best for the calculation distance between 2 points on a sphere. So whenever the user asks for the nearby pharmacies in the backend, we calculate the distance using this formula. So yeah, next slide. Yeah, so this is the Haversine formula. Calculation on this Haversine formula use the difference or magnitude of changes in latitude and longitude to coordinates point in radians. So here's the whole formula where delta latitude is the latitude 2 minus latitude 1, which is the latitude of the pharmacy minus the latitude of user. And same for the longitude. And here r is the radius of the earth, which is 6,371 kilometers. Okay, so from here, Swati will explain you further.
I will explain the next technique used in the system, that is geofencing. Such as Pramay explained, we have a sign formula for the calculation of distance between the 2 points. This is the one technique used in our system, and geofencing is another system. And I would like to explain the figure 2, which shows the overview of the geofencing. Geofencing is a virtual boundary or perimeter around a geographical area, and it can be any radius which is set by the user, and that radius can be of any length between 50 to 50,000 meters, and it is used to monitor the objects such as vehicles, person, etc. And as figure shows, when user enters or exits the system, he can get the trigger notifications or push notifications from the uh, particular user that has set the geofence boundary. Means in this figure, such as this is the location who has set the geofence boundary, and when users enter or exit from this system, then user will get the push notifications or advertisements from this user. Next, I would like to explain the implementation and result section. In this first, we will explain the development environment. For the development of this system, we have used Eclipse IDE, which has Tomcat as the server, and also we have used languages such as Java for the backend logic and JSP and Servlet for the dynamic web pages and request handling. Also, we have used Leaflet, which is a JavaScript plugin for loading the map and drawing the circle around the pharmacy location. Leaflet has many other features such like event handling and all. Also, we have designed our front end using HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap along with Java and React. We have used MySQL database in this, and we manage it via PHP Next section is our result section, and in this I would like to show the figure 3, which is a pharmacy dashboard, and we have added only some of the screenshots in this presentation, and this is the pharmacy dashboard, which have different features like add medicine, view medicine, update medicine stock and price. This dashboard is only for the pharmacist, and it has also feature of registration and login into the system. Means new pharmacy first register into the system, and then approve, admin will approve that pharmacy, and then only then he can able to log into the system. In same way, we have designed dashboard for admin as well as user. Next slide is uh, geofence location on the map. Figure 4 shows the geofence location. We have implemented this using the leaflet for loading the map and drawing this circular boundary around that location. And this is a JavaScript plugin which has different functionalities such as loading the map, event handling, and drawing the different type of shapes on the map using it. Next is push notification sent by the pharmacy to the user. This is the main part in our system, and we have implemented this push notification functionality using the web push API. Means on the browser we can get the push notifications, and this gives web applications the ability to receive messages from the server directly. And this figure shows the push notification in the right corner, such as pharmacy is within 10 miles from your location. Means Star Pharmacy has sent this push notification to Mr. John. Next part Pramay will explain.
Okay, so comparison with the existing system. So this system provides significant advantage over the traditional pharmacy software by incorporating location-based insights. So traditional pharmacy management system focus on core operational tasks like inventory control and prescription processing, and they typically rely on conventional communication methods such as email and phone calls for customer interactions. In contrast, geofencing enabled pharmacy management system use virtual boundaries around the pharmacy to enable the real-time location-based interaction with customers. So this location-based approach enhance customer engagement by providing timely and relevant communication and enhance efficiency of pharmacies. So to conclude this project, sending a push notification to customer by pharmacy not only makes things more convenient for customers to find medicine, but also helps pharmacies to manage their stocks better by matching it with local demands. And adding geofencing technology allows a pharmacy to offer more personalized and timely service, which can make customer happy. Also, this technology gets better. It's very important to keep a good balance between new innovations and following the health data laws. Also, pharmacies should make sure that strong data security measures are in place and the customer's privacy should be in top priority. Overall, geofencing helps to improve customer engagement and make pharmacy operations smoother and provide better healthcare. So, if we talk about the future works, so the future efforts could focus on integrating the pharmacy management system with other healthcare systems such as electronic health record, which will enhance the patient's outcome. One can also use machine learning algorithms to analyze customer purchase pattern and preference, which will allow for more personalized notification and recommendations. For example, a customer could receive reminder based on their medical tracking habits or suggestions for complementary health products. So after here, we would like to show you the demo of the app, which will be shown by the Swati.
Okay, this is a project, and I will run the project on the server. Project is run, and I will copy this link and paste on the browser. Okay, this is our home page of the system, and it has the three users: admin, user, and medical, means pharmacies. And admin is only one, that's why admin don't have a registration feature. It has only login feature. And but user and pharmacist has new user registration as well as login into the system. From here, pharmacists can log in into the system, and we have already registered multiple pharmacies and some users in our system. I will first show the admin login. This is our admin dashboard, and it has different functionalities such as view approve medicals, pending medical request, and also admin has right to delete the pharmacies. Means if any pharmacy is new into the system, then they have to must register into the system, and admin will approve their requests, such as the status here pharmacies are already approved and this pharmacy is not approved by the admin yet. Also, admin can delete the pharmacies into the system. I will log out admin and log in for the pharmacies. This is the pharmacist dashboard, and it has different functionalities such as add medicine, view medicine, and update medicine stock. We can see the medicines. These are the medicines for the medical ID 2, means this is the Volgin pharmacy, and they have added certain type of medicines. Also pharmacists can update and update the price and delete the medicines which are out of stock. And at the time of registration, pharmacy has to set a geofence boundary around their location, and the radius of their geofence boundary will be there as per their need and choice. I will log out from the pharmacy and show the user login. This is our user login, and we can see that at the right top corner we are getting these push notifications from the pharmacies which are near to the customer. Means the user which has logged into the system is within the geofence boundary of CareMed's pharmacy. That's why he is getting the push notification. We can also see the various type of pharmacies. Apollo pharmacy is also near to the user. That's why he is getting notification from that pharmacy. Also user can able to see the pharmacy location on the map. This is the geofence boundary, and their pharmacy has set there around their location. Uh, in such way, user will get the notifications from different type of pharmacy. That's all for our demo. Thank you, Professor.
Thank you, Professor.